What's up, guys? I had a new pond. See if I can get some. Got one. Oh, oh, quick release. No, I can get him. Not a bad one. I caught it on the jig. So I'm gonna release them. We'll get back to you guys. One on the jig. They fight hard in here, boy. It's a nice solid one. This is an MDO Custom Jig made by Mesa Oaks. I think it's called Rajun Cajun. It's a nice jig right there. I put a speed craw with orange claws on, and I put that as a trailer. So nice bass right here. Gonna get the release on them, and I hit them out there in the middle. So get the release on them.